Brian Sachs here with another Mortgage Minute for you. And I have a question for you, one that may sound a little strange. If you are a buyer and you are out there looking at homes with a pre-approval letter, is that pre-approval letter actually hurting your chances to negotiate the best deal? Let me explain. It is absolutely essential that you get pre-qualified and pre-approved before you go out even looking at homes. The reason's really very simple. You want to make sure that you have the funds in place before you put in an offer, and you know which programs you're going to be using, how much your monthly payment comfort levels are, and how much money you're going to need so the deal can be structured correctly. But a lot of lenders seem to get very, very lazy and do something that I think is actually dumb, which is give you a pre-approval letter for some amount of money that you qualify for. So why is that hurting you? Well, let's play out a scenario. Let's say you go into a property and you want to offer $280,000 and the house is listed for $300,000. And you walk in with a pre-approval letter, you're approved for $300,000. Well, you know what the seller's going to say? Well, that's strange. I'm asking $300,000 for my home. This buyer's approved for $300,000, and they are only offering me $280,000. So, if you want to improve your chances of negotiating the best transaction for yourself, work with a lender that will customize the pre-approval letter for you. The realtors that I work with know they can reach me pretty much 7 days a week, and I will provide for them a customized letter. In this scenario, I would have written a letter for that property and for an offer price of $280,000. You see, the seller doesn't need to know how much you're approved for as a buyer. They just need to know that you're approved for the amount of your offer. Some credit unions and banks and mortgage companies and other lenders, they give you this pre-approval letter because they're not available in the evenings. They're not available on the weekends, and they really don't want to be bothered with your phone call. So remember, make sure that the pre-approval letter you're using is customized for the property and for the offer price. And if your lender is not willing to do that, find one that will. I'll be back next week with another Mortgage Minute.